Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are making مسقعة in an Egyptian way, so without any meat. And for this we will need 5 mid-sized potatoes, an eggplant and 1 green paprika. For the sauce we are using canned tomatoes, 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves. We will start cutting the eggplant first so it has time to season a bit. For the seasoning we are using 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of vinegar. And this will make it a bit crispy and doesn't let it absorb all the oil. We'll make the pieces more or less like 1 centimeter wide. So 1 tablespoon of salt, like we said, and 3 tablespoons that I already have here in this bowl of vinegar. Try to mix it a bit. Next we will cut our potatoes into cubes so we can half fry them, because afterwards they will go to the oven anyway. This should be the size of the potato, more or less. It's optional that you can season your potatoes if you want. I like to season them with a bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder and curry. So we are putting all of them in a bowl. And put all the seasonings inside. As a last thing, we will slice the paprika into strips. They may look more or less like this. Now we're gonna deep fry all our cutted stuff. Potatoes first, only until half ready. Until we are frying our stuff, we can start making the sauce. And the sauce, we're starting with cutting the onions. And we are grating the garlic. For the sauce, we are first putting a bit of oil so we can fry the onion. That means that our potatoes are already ready, so we can take them out. Put them on a paper a bit, so the paper will absorb the oil. As a next thing, we're gonna deep fry the eggplant. For the sauce, we'll start with frying the onion until it changes a bit of color. After our onion changes a bit of color, like you see here, we are adding the garlic. Then we are adding the seasonings. We are using here salt, pepper, cumin, a bit of harissa, and just a drop of vinegar. Now we can add our chopped tomatoes. And we are adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste as well. I'm gonna add here a bit of sugar to equalize the acid in a tomato. If you would be here, the smell is amazing. We will leave it here for about 10 minutes. And we can turn our eggplant. When you see that your eggplant is golden like this, then you can take it out of here and put them on a paper as well. And as a very last thing, we are deep frying our garlic. Looks like our sauce got ready, and paprika as well looks golden brown and amazing like everything else. So we're taking this off too. For putting it in the oven, we start with a layer of tomato on the pan first. And a layer of our amazing vegetables. In the meanwhile, another layer of tomato. And more vegetables. And again on the very top, tomato. This time we are using all that we have. And as a last step, we are putting our مسقعة in the oven with 180 degrees to 10 to 15 minutes. After exactly 12 minutes, our amazing مسقعة is ready. It smells and looks freaking delicious. Thank you all for watching. And if you would like more videos from us, you can like, share and comment this video and subscribe to our channel.